All right, guys. Madam Peco Africa is right here at Mercy Divine Properties Limited. Yes, so, and for those of you that don't like living in an estate, yes, there are some persons that love staying on their own. You won't build your own fence, build the kind house where you like. May you live inside. You don't want get uniform house with people. You don't want people to be telling you do this and do that. Remember that we have plots for that category of persons, and if you fall inside this category, one plot na just 7 million naira. Yes, and is located inside New Banana Island. And New Banana Island is located off Odili Road in Port-Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. Okay, but if you want an organized estate like Gulf Estate, Sun City Estate, you know them now, just call me, because we have service estates called PrimeRose Court inside the same Banana Island, and that one is going for 12 million naira. And the number to always call is 090-3429-6519. Madam Peco Africa, they wait for you. You know, say that me hold the key to your next land where you supposed to get. I be no be so. All right, I'm waiting for you.